Hi, I'm Ace, your tutor at UScore Academy. Let's learn order of operations together, step by step. If everyone solved math in a different order, we would get different answers. So we follow one agreed order. In 2 plus 3 times 4, we multiply first, getting 12, then add 2 for 14. First, do anything inside brackets. Next, do all multiplication and division, working left to right. Last, do addition and subtraction, also left to right. Following these steps keeps everyone's answer the same. Brackets change the order. In 2 plus 3 in brackets times 4, we add inside the brackets first to get 5, then multiply by 4. That gives 20, a different answer than before. Let's solve 12 divided by 3 plus 5 times 2. Do multiply and divide first. 12 divided by 3 is 4, and 5 times 2 is 10. Then add. 4 plus 10 is 14. So always work in order. Brackets first, then multiply and divide, then add and subtract. Go left to right within each step. This way, every expression has just one correct answer. Great work! Keep practicing with Ace at UScoreAcademy.com for free lessons, worked examples, and practice.